Welcome! Today, I'm excited to give you a quick walkthrough of Tufin's support for Zscaler Cloud Firewall and show you the value we can add to your existing Zscaler deployment. For years, Tufin has provided industry-leading support for top firewall, SDN, and cloud vendors. With our 21.3 release, we're excited to be partnering with another market leader, Zscaler, to bring Zscaler into the Tufin fold. Tufin's support for Zscaler allows joint customers to expand their unified security policy management capabilities beyond the perimeter and ensure a state of continuous visibility and compliance across the entire hybrid estate. Network and security policy visibility have always been at the core of Tufin's value proposition. Tufin provides enterprises with unified visibility across an increasingly heterogeneous and hybrid network ecosystem, which significantly reduces the challenges of managing these complex environments. With Tufin, enterprises can perform advanced policy queries across their entire policy base, offering comprehensive visibility into the relevant policies regardless of the vendor or device on which they reside. Tufin's Rule Viewer enables network administrators to gain deep visibility into their cloud firewall policies at a glance. The Rule Viewer allows administrators to search the entire enterprise policy base from a single interface regardless of the vendors or devices involved. Here we can see a query for any policies providing access to a specific IP address over HTTP. The example shows matches from Zscaler as well as additional matches from a traditional firewall. Although this was a simple policy query, the Rule Viewer allows much more complex queries of any policy attribute, including items like groups, users, applications, and more. From the Rule Viewer, we can click on any policy to dive into the policy details. From here, we can see all the policy attributes such as sources, destinations, users, applications, and more. We can also see policy metadata such as when the policy was last modified and the certification status if rule certification through Tufin is being enforced. In addition to visibility, Tufin provides an array of audit and compliance capabilities to ensure enterprises maintain a state of continuous compliance and full auditability. Each time a change occurs, Tufin records a new revision of the policy, maintaining a complete history of the policy base as it evolves over time. As we'll see, Tufin also allows users to compare policy revisions to quickly identify changes over time. Tufin's revision history provides a fully auditable record of the enterprise's policy base as it existed at any point in the past. Each time a policy change is made, Tufin records a new revision. Through the revision history, administrators can quickly retrieve and view the Zscaler policy as it existed at any previous point in time. In addition to the obvious value for auditing use cases, this can be an invaluable tool when a change unexpectedly blocks access to a critical asset. As previously mentioned, Tufin also enables administrators to instantly compare any two policy revisions, immediately identifying the individual rule or object which has been added, modified, or removed between revisions. For a complex global deployment, even with scripting, replicating this process is time-consuming and error-prone. Using this capability, auditors can immediately see what has changed since the last audit, and those unintended consequences from routine changes are simple to track down. Thanks for taking a few minutes to learn about Tufin's support for Zscaler Cloud Firewall. We're excited about this new partnership and to hear how our customers operationalize this integration. If you'd like to learn more, please reach out to your Tufin or Zscaler sales representative or visit our website shown here.